First.
Well, it sounds like this weekend is going to be great patio weather, right, Dave? That's one of the things I've missed the most about the rainy weather.
Yeah, we need the rain, but it's nice to get out in the sunshine. You can do that this afternoon. Take a look at this. Woohoo, that's our mile-high camera looking at the city. You look east, you can see how dry the air is. There's not a cloud in the sky that direction. Then we look at the library cam looking towards the mountains, and you can see a few cumulus clouds trying to build up in the high country. And we will have a few thunderstorms in the mountains today, but we remain high and dry here in the city. Kelly Harris is one of our weather watchers in Golden. He's coming in at 73 degrees right now, and Larry Geoke in Brush is heating up. 77 out there in northeastern Colorado. Other temperatures for you, mountain readings mostly 60s and 70s there. Grand Junction 83 already. Their thermometers just beefing up there. We've also got some pretty warm weather up in northeastern Colorado. A few 80s already showing up there, up in that direction around Julesburg. Hey, it's Thursday. The new drought monitor comes out every Thursday, and take a look at the map. Really good news over eastern Colorado. Basically, everything east of the Continental Divide, the drought has been wiped out, but you get into the mountains in western Colorado, you get back into the dryness out there. Western Colorado still extreme to exceptional, all that red and deep red going on out there. Even though we've seen storm after storm after storm for a few weeks around here, out there they've seen hardly anything at all, so it's still very dry out in that part of the state. Here's the satellite now. We've got a few clouds, still a northerly flow, not as much moisture as yesterday, but we've got one little lonely thunderstorm that popped up down there near Manassas, down there in Conejos County, and they've got a little bit of rain there, and that is it as far as moisture goes right now. High pressure, still that big ridge out over California, slowly chugging in, but this big trough of low pressure kind of blocking everything up, so it's not a real big changer, but we'll be a little warmer today, a little warmer tomorrow, and then boom, Saturday's when we really get under the influence of this big high. Here's the forecast for you as it moves in. There'll still be enough moisture in some of the mountains for some isolated storms tomorrow afternoon and again over the weekend, but hot weather will be rolling in, and we may delve into just a small chance of some thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday afternoon as well. So that's a look at the long term. Let's go short term now. This afternoon, a couple of thunderstorms building in the mountains. Tomorrow morning will be mostly sunny, and again tomorrow afternoon, a few thunderstorms building in the mountains. Again, eastern Colorado stays high and dry all the way through the end of the week. High temperatures today, a lot of 80s showing up here in the eastern side of the map. 80s and 70s mixed together in the mountains here, and then looking at for western Colorado, again, it's going to be hot out there. Grand Junction, can you believe it, may make it into the mid-90s this afternoon, unfortunately, because of the drought situation out there. Temperatures today, low to mid-80s around the metro area, mostly sunny skies. Tonight in the 50s we go with mostly clear conditions, and then we zoom it up to 87 tomorrow. Near 91 Saturday, there's a chance of an isolated late-day thunderstorm. The record is 96, so we'll be just a few degrees away from that. And then Sunday, a little bit cooler. We'll dip down into the 80s, about 83. A little better chance of afternoon thunderstorms coming your way on Sunday. So, Mackenzie, if I had to pick a patio or a pool day, I'm going with Saturday for the weekend with that 91.
I know, we were wondering if we were going to hit 90. You got it up there now.
Yeah, the first one of the season on the way.
Looking good. Thanks so much, Dave.
You bet.
We'll get news anytime, anywhere from CBSN Denver. You can find that on our app, so you can download it right